My name's Amy from Anchor Cars, and today I'm going to be taking you through this vehicle. If you do have any questions following on from the video, please don't hesitate to give us a call on the number shown above, and our salesman will be more than happy to go through those with you. Today we have the 2021 Audi E-tron. This vehicle has done just over 38,000 miles. It has an automatic transmission and a fully electric motor. To the left of our steering wheel, we have cruise control as a feature, and on the right we have voice control, automatic wipers and automatic headlights. On the first page of our screen, we have our key features, media, smartphone integration and navigation. As we swipe across, we can access our favourites, our vehicle settings, messages, news, purchases, weather and users. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with a parking camera with front and rear parking sensors. Just below we have our dual zone climate control with heated seats on either side. If we press our drive select button, we can switch between our 5 different driving modes: individual, dynamic, auto, comfort and efficiency. As we go into the back of the vehicle, we can see that it has a full leather black interior. Thank you for watching the video. Our opening hours are Monday to Friday 9 till 6, Saturday 9 till 5 and Sunday 10 till 4. I'll also be displaying our contact details on the screen for you now.